Welcome to How Possible. Today, we're diving into a life-changing hack that feels almost illegal to know. If you've ever struggled with attracting women or understanding what they truly find irresistible, this video is for you. It's not about pickup lines, fake confidence, or trying to be someone you're not. It's about understanding human nature, making subtle changes, and mastering the art of attraction. So buckle up, this is going to be eye-opening. The magnetic mindset. Let's start with the foundation, your mindset. Confidence is key, but here's the twist. It's not just about looking confident, but feeling confident. Women can sense insecurity, even if you try to hide it. 1. How to build confidence. Start with small wins in your life. Hit the gym, learn a skill, or work on a passion project. Each accomplishment boosts your self-worth. Be comfortable being alone. When you're genuinely okay with your own company, it radiates independence and strength. It shows that you're not desperate for anyone's validation. Here's a secret. Confidence isn't about being loud or flashy. It's about being calm, secure, and grounded. A man who is quietly confident is way more attractive than one who tries too hard to show off. The art of listening? You've probably heard this before, but it can't be overstated. Listen more than you talk. Women are naturally drawn to someone who makes them feel heard and understood. 1. What to do. When she's talking, don't just wait for your turn to speak. Pay attention to her words, emotions, and body language. This small effort creates a connection that most men overlook. The power of body language. Your body says more than your words ever could. Women pick up on subtle signals, so let your body language work for you. 2. Open and relaxed posture. Keep your shoulders back and your chest slightly out. Avoid crossing your arms or appearing closed off. 3. The magic of eye contact. Lock eyes, but don't stare. A soft, confident gaze can be incredibly magnetic. 4. The importance of smiling. A genuine smile shows warmth and makes you approachable. Don't underestimate how powerful this simple gesture can be. Pro tip: when you're talking to someone you're interested in, angle your body slightly toward them. This shows interest and attentiveness without being overbearing. The unexpected hack now for the hack that feels almost illegal to know: be unpredictable. Predictability can be boring. Women are drawn to excitement, mystery, and spontaneity. For example, instead of always texting her at the same time, mix it up. Suggest an unexpected but fun activity instead of the usual dinner date. The key is balance. Be reliable, but sprinkle in moments of surprise. This keeps her intrigued and eager to spend more time with you. Attracting women isn't about tricks or manipulation. It's about becoming the best version of yourself and connecting on a genuine level. Work on your confidence, master the art of listening, perfect your body language, and embrace unpredictability. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.